In this video, I'll show you step by step how to sell Kelly stock on Robinhood. Also, if you do not have a Robinhood account yet, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up and get a free stock. To start, open the website robinhood.com. Then click on the login button at the upper right corner of the screen. Next, in the fields provided, enter your account email and password. After entering, click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see list of stocks at the right side of the screen. Click on the option that says Kelly. Next, on the right side of the screen, click on Sell Kelly. Then, on the order type, select Sell Order. Next, choose how you wish to sell the stock. In this video, we chose to sell in dollars. After that, enter the amount you wish to sell. In this video, we chose to sell all the stocks available. You'll see the estimated quantity update automatically. Once everything looks correct, click on Sell to continue. Now you will see that your Kelly stock has been sold. That's how you sell your Kelly stock on Robinhood. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.